The source code of software systems consists of instructions written in a programming language. This is the source code of a rudimentary bank application with customers and accounts. This is a rendering of the source code as boxes and spheres. This is the structure of the source code shown as a city. The highest building is the bank. Here, disks of various sizes represent the source code. The largest disk is the bank. This way, large software systems become visible at a glance. They present a fascinating view. Structure, behavior and evolution of software systems can be made visible. This is the structure of a program. Its very complex parts are blinking. This detail provides a short insight in a program's execution. During the development of a program, new parts are added and former parts are deleted. For a software developer, creating a software visualization is easy and straightforward. First, the source code has to be loaded into the development environment Eclipse. Second, the plugin Vervain-J automatically analyzes the source code and produces a Phamix model of its structure. Third, the generated Phamix model can be transformed into a visualization using a dedicated metaphor. Here, this is done for the recursive disk metaphor. A further transformation creates a rendering as city metaphor, which is previewed afterwards. Eventually, the software visualization can be loaded into an internet browser. A configurable user interface allows to interactively explore the entities, their relations, and the metrics of a software system. Here, the class business customer and its attribute name are inspected. It is also possible to mark descendant classes. These software visualizations help to analyze, to understand and to maintain complex software systems. If you are interested in visualizations of your Java software systems, please contact us at softviz@uni-leipzig.de.